Crackling onto your screen, we dive straight into an intriguing question. Can artificial intelligence replace human intellect? Does AI truly hold the potential to entirely supplant human cognition? Let's explore. What differentiates artificial intelligence from human intellect? AI operates through computer programs and algorithms, while human intellect is linked with consciousness, understanding, and morality. Where might we need artificial intelligence? AI could prove useful in data analysis, robotics, and expert tasks where calculations and formulas can be employed. Can human intellect be entirely replaced? The unique features, self-awareness, and imagination of human intellect can't be replicated by AI. There are many distinct capabilities of human intellect that AI lacks. In conclusion, it's undeniable that artificial intelligence cannot fully take over the place of human intellect. They both have their unique positions and can work collaboratively within our society. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have more insights on this topic, please share them in the comments. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our upcoming videos.